This is Max with Aim Website Pro, and today we're going to be talking about how to make an appointment on Google Calendar. Make an appointment on Google Calendar is real easy. You could have the day view if you want to select a particular time of day, the week view, the month view, or your custom view, which would be 4 days. We'll go ahead and leave it on the week view, and over here we can navigate to what week we want. I'm going to schedule an appointment for 7 a.m. Monday morning. And I'm going to say, make this happen. Okay. And I could just create the event, but maybe I want to invite somebody. So instead of just create, I'm going to click edit the event. That'll load up my settings. Okay. Now, I could actually have this be an all-day event or repeated event, but I'm not going to do that. I can enter a location. Now I can start typing in A1 Website Pro, and it'll go out to the Google Maps and grab the address for me. I can enter my guest over here, Maximus McCullough. I can Karen Leaf. I can add all these different people to the calendar. I can put a description in down here. This is a description. I can add an attachment that the people will get in their email. So let me go ahead and grab an attachment, maybe the hydrogen fuel cell, select. I can actually change the color of the event so that it shows up in the color that I want. I'll switch it to red just so you can see how that works. Notifications. I want to be notified maybe one day before this particular appointment. I get a reminder for it, so I'll get a reminder previous. If I want an extra notification, I could do 10 minutes, before it, or hours, days, weeks, whatnot. So I can show me as available or busy. Now the visibility is the calendar default, whatever I put in my settings, but I can put it as public or private. If I have it as public, if I embed this particular calendar on a website, then everybody will be able to see this. If I have it all set to public, then in my calendar default, everyone will see it. If I want it set to private, then only I will see it. So this is helpful, like if you're sharing your calendar on your website, and certain things you want to hide. Now, if we go over here, I show you how to modify a guest, and you could click the little head there to make them optional. You can also let your guest modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. So if you want them to just be able to invite others or see the guest list, you check that. If you don't want them to see the guest list, you uncheck that. But if you want to give them power to modify the event, you can click that as well. All right. So now we're all ready for to make this one-time appointment for November 28th at 7 a.m. All right. When we click Save, it's going to ask us if we want to send invitations to our guest. This will send them emails. So we could actually click Send, and you'll notice that the color of the event turns red instead of my default color of purple. Okay. If you ever want to go back in to edit this event, just click on it. And you could go back here and edit the event and have it, add some more to the description or add another attachment, so on and so forth. If you go under here, under more actions, you can actually change the owner or duplicate the event. Okay? All right, so that's how that works. This is Max with A1 Website Pro, and I hope this tutorial was beneficial to you.